A uranium-238 nucleus is initially at rest, emits an alpha particle with speed of 1.4 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. Calculate the recoil speed of the residual nucleus thorium-234. Assume that the mass of the nucleus is proportional to the mass number. Mass of uranium रेशो है सपोज M238M, इसको अगर हम मास यूरेनियम से डिनोट करें, मास ऑफ हीलियम पार्टिकल MH will be 4M and mass of thorium particle MT is equal to 234M. VH, the speed of helium particle is 1.4 into 10 to the power 7 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सपोज एक यूरेनियम पार्टिकल है, ये इंटीग्रेट होगा दो पार्ट में, एक हीलियम एंड थोरियम. तो इनिशियल मोमेंटम of system, initially it was uranium, mass into speed is 0 is 0. Final momentum of system, momentum of helium MT, helium MH into speed of helium particle plus mass of thorium particle plus into speed of thorium particle. Suppose this is Pi initial and this is Pf. 4 into 1.4 into 10 to the power 7 plus 234 into Vt. For conservation of the momentum, P final is equal to P initial, or 4 into 1.4 into 10 to the power 7 plus 234 into Vt is 0, or Vt is minus 4 into 1.4 into 10 to the power 7 by 234. 2.4 into 10 to the power 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. माइनस साइंस मीन्स कि ये जो हीलियम पार्टिकल जिस डायरेक्शन में मूव करेगा उसके अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में थोरियम पार्टिकल मूव करेगा.